In this video, we will discuss about how tea leaves they are processed for the formation of the tea. Botanical name of tea is Camellia sinensis. It has two varieties, Camellia sinensis varieties sinensis, Camellia sinensis varieties assamica. India is the largest producer of the tea, and in India, Assam is the state which is the largest producing state. Second number is West Bengal. It is also cultivated in many other states. Commonly, this is also called as chai. This is the most important non-alcoholic beverages in the world. If we see the morphology of the plant, this grows in the form of a shrub. So this is evergreen perennial shrub. And if we see its morphology, this is its bud. This is first leaf, second leaf. This is third leaf, fourth leaf. This is fifth leaf, and this is the fish leaf. You can see here, this is the bud. Then this is the first leaf, second leaf, third leaf, and so on, like we discussed its characteristics. Now, how these tea leaves are processed for the formation of the tea, that we are going to discuss in this video, processing of tea. So first step is plucking may be done. For plucking, labor can be employed. So labor can pick the uh, this part, right? We can see here bud and two leaves, first leaf and second leaf. So labor will pick up the leaves. Then there are hand picker also. Like there is a machine which can pick these leaves. We can pick with manually also. So leaves are plucked by hand. Then they may be transported to the nearest factory. So these are the leaves which can be plucked, and they can be transported to the nearest factory. Then the leaves, they are laid out in a bamboo plate or in a wooden plate, right? Bamboo mats or fabrics. Then they will wilt. Wilt is losing water, right? Humidity and temperatures are monitored and controlled. Proper airflow is maintained. So when after 16-18 hours, leaves, they will lose water and they will start wilting. So surface moisture, 50% surface moisture is removed. So the withering process reduces the water content of the leaves up to 50%. So when they wilt, and this is called as withering. First step is withering. Then is bruising. Then leaves, they are rolled, twisted, and crushed. So they are put it into rollers, twisted and crushed. So ultimately leaves जो है उनकी cell wall crush हो जाएंगी, right? So cell walls of the cells are crushed. Next step is oxidizing or fermentation. So they are put into a special machine where withered and bruised leaves, they are added to the enzymatic reaction. So when enzymatic reaction, like here in this, they are added and enzymatic reaction take place. So enzyme polyphenol oxidase will act on it. This will lead to the enzymatic reaction. This will turn leaves brown in color. So leaves, when they are turned brown in color, they must be carefully monitored. It should not be over fermented. It should not be under fermented. So proper fermentation is done. So this oxidizing is also called as fermentation. Next step is we have to stop this oxidation process or fermentation. So tea leaves, they are heated to stop the oxidation process. Now next is when tea leaves, they are oxidized properly, they are fermented properly, then they are dried so that rest of the moisture is removed from the leaves. And because when we have done fermentation or oxidation, it will turn coppery brown or blackish in color. So moisture is further removed. Now last step will be when tea leaves have been oxidized, fermented into black tea. Then there is sifting, sorting, and fine dust is removed. So last step is packing under vacuum condition so that moisture may not spoil the tea particles. Now we can prepare the tea and enjoy the tea. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.